Hi guys, back to another video. I've been posting too much. I got too busy. Got caught up some stuff. Like I had to finish my exam today. I'm going to buy some chemicals and stuff that I need to use to prep the car. So guys, I'm not gonna show you how, like, what's the process of lifting up the car. The car is on jack stands right now. I'm just gonna remove the wheels and gonna do a deep cleaning on that one. So just a quick walk around to the Type R. As you can see, it's lifted and about to take off those wheels to get clean. Look at those brake dust all over the wheels. That's just like sad part of it, owning a white wheels, but it's a high maintenance. You have to clean it every time. Make it look clean or look good every time. That's what I do when it's winter season, prepping the car for summer. And those are little scratches. When I bought this car, it has a little bit of scratches on it, but I will try my best to, you know, to make it like better and more look like a brand new car, which is I always keep it nice and clean. Yeah. So guys, when you
2,000 years later.
so guys, when you're doing your wheel well, when you're taking off the wheel, you have to check the tires, or it's up to you. Because me, when I always take off the tires, I always check the tires if there's any, like you never know, like if there's any nails and stuff, like nails that on the tire. At least you know, right? So this tire is good. So this is the consequences of owning a white wheels. As you can see, there's a lot of brake dust. That's only brake dust. And don't get me wrong, I love owning a white wheels because it's really good on white car and it looks clean. It's clean. You know me, I love clean stuff. I'm very OC. So when I clean, guys, I really take my time doing it. I'm I don't know, I'm having fun cleaning my car, all of the stuff that I need that needs to be clean. Just want to show you the calipers, the rotors and the studs that I'm about to clean, and those rust stuff, those are about to get off. And it's not really hard to clean those. And I use the bristle brush just to clean it and put some anti-seize on those studs. And as you can see, the calipers are not that great because the first owner, I don't know what chemical he used to clean the wheels and the calipers, but really the clear coat of that caliper is gone, and I need to get that thing done. Not this winter, but you know, I mean, I might doing it, but not anytime soon. And that's how you clean the wheels. Really bright white, which is I'm very satisfied, very happy of the outcome, because I really wanted to do this like before I lifted the car, but you know, I thought about it that summer is almost done. I'd rather wait till I left the car and do those wheels. Oh my, look at that. The white pearls really popped up. And those white pearls, like the glitters, really stands up. Plus the blue stickers, race stickers on the white wheels really stands up. I cleaned that already. And I just need to wipe those wheel well, but it's all good now. Really nice and clean. So guys, my day is not gonna end like that. I have to pick up my son. Slowly. Slowly lang. Alright, don't jump. Go up. Alright. Careful. Alright, so the last video I was like showing you the calipers and the rotors that it was clean, and in this video I'm gonna show you that I put back the center hub ring and put anti-seize on the studs because I'm about to put it back, the wheels on the car, because I have a wheel cover that I can use, and I almost forgot about it because my plan is to take off the wheels and lift the car, right? But I just remembered that I have wheel covers, so I can use that and then proceed of cleaning the car. So this is what I do to the lug nuts. I love putting these lugs on the cup so I don't misplace them. So they still in good condition, but I just want the extra, the extra cleanliness on those lugs and shininess. I use WD-40 just to take it off, like all the grease and gunks that you can probably see right here. But yeah. Hi guys, so there you go. I put it on all the wheels, and make sure you don't forget to tighten up your lugs and torque them